Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, construction line type, make for construction line here. This line here has the angle of 14 degrees, and this one has the angle of 25 degrees. Okay, we have this. Go to create, select the arc, center point arc, click here in the midpoint. The radius here is 63 millimeters of radius. Remove the construction line type here. Okay, make another one with 50 millimeters of radius. Okay, we have this. Now go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this 2 point here, make a line here between these two arc. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and this line here is 25 millimeters. Okay, now here go to constraint, select coincident, select this point here and this point here, select this point here and this point here. Okay, select the line, make a line here with 17 millimeters, make another one here with 90 degrees, and close the sketch here. We have this. Okay, now make another line here, make an arc here, and close the sketch here. Go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 90 millimeters, sorry. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point here and this point here. Okay, go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 150 millimeters. Okay, now select this circle, click here in this point, make a circle here with 22 millimeters of radius, of diameter, sorry. Press OK. We have this. Finish the sketch, go to Extrude, select this profile here. The direction here, symmetric measurement, whole length, and the distance 50 millimeters. Press OK. Show the sketch one again. Go to Extrude, select this profile, direction, symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance 38 millimeters. Operation join, press OK. Hide the sketch one. We have this. Okay. Go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select the circle, make a circle here with 38 millimeters of diameter and another one with 22 millimeters. We have these two circles here. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select all this profile. The start here, select offset. The offset here is 67 millimeters. And the extended type is to object. And select this face. And press OK. We have this. Now show the sketch 2 again. Go to Extrude, select only this inside circle here. And the extended type is all. Operation cut, press OK. We made this. Okay. Now go to create a sketch, select the front plane. Go to create project, include project. Select this face here, and this face, press OK. We can hide this body a little bit. Select line, click here in this arc, and in this arc here, make a line between these two arcs. Go to constraint, select the tangent, make this line tangent with this arc, and make this line tangent with this arc. We have this. Okay, finish the sketch, show this body here. Go to create, select rib. The profile is this profile, the thickness 13 millimeters. Maybe we need to flip this. Okay, and press OK. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more exercise and bye bye.